जो humans हैं, they have a need. They have needs, they have aspirations, and they always want more power, more authority, more money. ये जो greed है ये खत्म नहीं होती. Everybody's got a little bit, right? Those people who are meditating also have this greed कि I want to meditate more. Those who are at a, you know, like let's say जो बोलते हैं हमें एक तीर्थ यात्रा करनी है, हमें दो करनी है, तीन, चार, पांच. Those who want to read religious books, they want to read more and more. It's a never-ending thing, right? So astrology has a definite relation to what I call the several grades of urgency which our life has. Everything is not urgent, but some things are, right? Kal kya hoga? Aaj kya hoga? Will I lose my job? Will I get a job? Will I win a lottery ticket? Oh, my health is not good. Do I have cancer? Am I going to get a heart attack? तो ये जो urgency है, this is all answered by astrology. Success in life depends a lot these days on material property. It also depends on adversity, unfortunately. Yogas जो astrology में है, they show clearly the degree of wealth. Degree means the magnitude of wealth, the magnitude of fame, your rank, your position, adversity, ill health, misfortune. जो आपके लाइफ में आया है, आ रहा है, और जो आगे जाके आएगा, all that is very clearly seen with astrology, right? So what is the benefit of this? It helps us prepare कि लाइफ में क्या होगा, and it makes us aware and do better in life that okay, if this bad time is coming, it's coming. I can't help it. And believe me, this is all placed on the planetary positions. And this is inherited. We cannot change this. If a good time is coming, it's coming. If a bad time is coming, so be it. You don't hear of a 2-year-old child getting a heart attack. You don't hear of a 10-year-old person getting heart attack. But you see older people. It's your lifestyle. It is stress. It is genetics. They all play a factor. अगर कुंडली में लिखा है कि it's going to happen, well, unfortunately, it is going to happen. There are so many combinations, right? Planets sitting together, planets looking at each other, planets exchanging houses. इनका योग होता है. But only specific combinations can actually be called yogs. Vedika, not everything is a yog. जब हम योग की बात करते हैं, the first thing that comes to our head is it has to be positive. It has to
जी
be optimistic, right?
हम्म
So हम जब योग की बात करते हैं, we indicate certain physical or mental traits, degrees, fortune. पर जब misfortune आता है, जब ill health आता है, then we call it arishta yog. These are difficult combinations. These are things that we usually don't like discussing. How many times have you gone to an astrologer who has said you're likely to have cancer or you're likely to have an accident? No, they don't, because it tends to scare you. But it is important for you to know. So when you meet me, it's not you will hear all good things or all bad things. You will hear things the way they are going to be, the way they are going to happen. Right? Majority जो astrologers हैं आज की डेट में, they put less emphasis on योग Vedika. They put
हम्म
more emphasis on the kundali itself and you as a person. Yogs are supportive. They help uplift you. अगर आपको दीवार चढ़नी है, you can take a ladder and climb, or you can try jumping the ladder. The ladder, the wall, the ladder is the yog, and the jump is your effort, right? अगर
जी
दीवार बहुत ऊंची है, ladder छोटी है, you can't climb. So today's show is all about योग. Astrologers must know these yogs very carefully, और हम इन योगों की बात करेंगे. We will divide these yogs into two categories, good and bad. And in each of these good and bad, we still have two more categories, Dasha dependent योग and Dasha independent
इंडिपेंडेंट
योग.
हो जी
दशा डिपेंडेंट वो होता है जब उनकी दशा आती है तभी वो कुछ करते हैं. दैट्स व्हेन दे बिकम देयर इफेक्ट्स स्टार्ट शोइंग अप. उसके ऊपर लेट्स से यू हैव अ गुड योग गोइंग ऑन, और उस गुड योग के ऊपर ट्रांजिट में शनि आ गया, देन ही इज गोइंग टू डिले द पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ दैट गुड योग. ऑन द अदर हैंड, अगर कोई खराब योग है आपका, कोई खराब योग चल रहा है, और उस खराब योग पे जुपिटर आ गया, उस जॉब इज टू एक्चुअली मेक इट बेटर, तो वो और खराब करेगा उसको. डज दैट मेक सेंस?
राइट
तो वी ऑलवेज वांट व्हेन वी लुक एट योग्स, इट इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट कौन सा प्लैनेट योग बना रहा है. इट इज वो किस घर में बैठा है, किस चीज को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, और उसके ऊपर ट्रांजिट किसका है.
जी
अच्छे योग पे बुरा ट्रांजिट won't help. बुरे योग पे अच्छा ट्रांजिट won't help. But बुरे योग पे बुरा ट्रांजिट can be worse.
जी
Right? If you're running a bad Arishta योग और उस पे दशा केतु की ट्रांजिट चल रही है, it is going to hammer you. It is going to cause more distress than you can imagine. And साथ में अगर आपका साढ़े सती भी चल रहा है, then you know we will say God save you. That is going to be that difficult for you. But it is rare. I don't see it. Very, very rare. Okay.
जी we have a caller waiting. Quickly, let's
Sure.
start taking calls. Hello, you're on air with Dr. Bhatia. Can you lower the radio volume?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, hello. This is Ankit, and date of birth is July 25, 1987.
Okay.
And date of place is Hathras, Uttar Pradesh.
What is the place of city? क्या है?
Hathras.
Hathras.
Okay. And time?
Times 7:35 evening.
7:35. How do you spell the city?
Hathras.
Okay. Hathras. 7:35 in the evening. Okay.
Yeah, the question is related to job. Is not able to move to a good, good job for a high paying scale jobs for a long time now.
Okay. Let's see. तो आपका स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन क्या है?
जॉब चेंज से रिलेटेड जॉब अच्छी मतलब अच्छे अपॉर्चुनिटी की जॉब्स नहीं मिल रही है ट्राइंग हार्ड फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम
You're still running Ketu Saturn Dasha. We call that Ketu Shani Dasha. Ketu and Shani are two bad planets that are looking directly at your career house. ये career house जो है, this is stuck between that. अब ट्रांजिट में कोई प्लैनेट है नहीं उसके ऊपर, राइट? यू वांट टू स्विच योर जॉब, you must wait for either wait for Ketu Mercury Dasha, which is actually very strong for you. But ये जो कुंडली बनती है, this is business dasha. This is nothing to do with working for somebody. ये with Sun, Moon, Venus in the 7th house, this is clear cut business. You need to start something. तुम्हारा Mercury 6th house में बैठा है. It is in the house of work. Why are you working for somebody beyond me? I have no clue. Rethink your strategy in life. You really need to go ahead and start your business. You should be focused on working for yourself, not for someone. When you start a business, try looking into something in education sector with a partner. That will make wonderful sense for you. But agar business, if you still want to work, your growth will come next year, July. Okay? Good luck.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
If you have more questions, you can always reach out to Dr. Bhatia directly by calling 408-639-5300 or you can email him info@saketbhatia.com. To all the listeners, सुन रहे हैं आप Astrology Show with Dr. Saket Bhatia. And if you have a question, you can call the studio line number. Lines are open. The number once again is 510-770-1550. For a quick question right now, 510-770-1550. जी.
तो योग की जो बात कर रहे थे, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सम गुड योग्स, राइट? सो फॉर मेनी पीपल हियर, जब आप योग की पढ़ाई करोगे, व्हेन यू स्टडी अबाउट योग्स, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ योग कि ये होता क्या है. मेनी अ टाइम आई हैव हर्ड पीपल से कि हमारा गज केसरी योग है, लेकिन उस दशा में कुछ हुआ नहीं. वी हैव मेनी रूल्स इन एस्ट्रोलॉजी कॉज कैंसलेशन ऑफ योग. कैंसलेशन का ये मतलब है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स से यू आर गिवन ए कार, राइट? आपको किसी ने गाड़ी दे दी एंड दे से go ahead and drive that car at 100 miles an hour. You're driving. Now, let's assume कि गाड़ी स्टार्ट करने से पहले ही किसी ने आपकी गाड़ी के आगे दीवार डाल दी and then says go drive. You can't break that wall. So that is called stalling of yoga. Yogas can be stalled when there is a bad planet looking at a good yoga. और अगर ऐसा होता है, then the yoga will have no benefit. Same thing for bad yoga. There are reasons why कैंसर, आर्थराइटिस, डिमेंशिया, ये हो सकता है. But there is a good planet looking at that bad yog which will prevent it from happening. So let's start with the most common yog, Raj Yog. सबसे कॉमन योग बनता है एस्ट्रोलॉजी में, राज योग.
हम्म.
ये एक कॉम्बिनेशन योग है एंड इट इज ए दशा डिपेंडेंट योग. मतलब ये आता है जब इसकी दो प्लैनेट्स दैट आर इन्वॉल्व, जब उनकी दशा आती है या अंतर दशा आती है, देन इट वेक्स अप. नाउ लेट्स से द राज योग इज कॉज्ड बाय वीनस एंड मर्क्यूरी. ओके, दिस दशा कैन हैपन, ये योग दो बार आएगा, वीनस मर्क्यूरी दशा में और मर्क्यूरी वीनस दशा में, राइट. नाउ क्वेश्चन बिकम्स कौन से दशा में ही विल गिव बेटर रिजल्ट्स. उसका भी एक फॉर्मूला होता है. वी डिवाइड एवरी दशा इनटू टू पार्ट्स, एक्चुअली फोर पार्ट्स. द दशा एंड अंतर दशा लॉर्ड्स हाफ हाफ कर देते हैं. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर वीनस मर्क्यूरी की लेट्स से 2 साल की दशा है, देन वी विल फर्स्ट डिवाइड मर्क्यूरी इनटू टू पार्ट्स, वीनस इनटू टू पार्ट्स, एंड 6 मंथ्स के हिसाब से देखते हैं. देन दे विल इम्पैक्ट दैट हाउस अप्रोप्रिएटली. राजयोग इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन योग. जब फर्स्ट लॉर्ड, फिफ्थ लॉर्ड या सेवेंथ लॉर्ड has some sort of combination with the fourth, ninth, 10th, then it is called a Rajyog. Rajyog by definition means great success, great wealth, something like a king. But technically, आज की डेट में तो राजयोग does not mean king. राजयोग just means a good fortune, good time, good health, good mental, good physical health, good relationship with family, good relationship with friends. Correct? कोई कोई असेंडेंट्स के लिए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल टॉरस, कैंसर, लियो, लिब्रा, कैप्रिकॉर्न एंड एक्वेरियस, हो सकता है कि एक ही प्लैनेट राजयोग बना दे. दैट हैपेंस. यू डोंट नीड टू प्लैनेट्स इन दिस केस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपका टॉरस असेंडेंट है, देन शनि रूल्स बोथ द 9th हाउस एंड द 10th हाउस. तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन हो गया ना, बिकॉज ही इज ओनिंग 10th एंड 9th. In that case, Saturn, which happens to be the planet of suffering, delay, misfortune, disease, ये अच्छा planet बन जाता है. He will still give those bad things, but he will give positivity and creativity and luck to you. So for all Taurus ascendants, this is a good planet for you. जब ऐसा होता है, ये एक योगा कारक बनता है. A planet which owns a angle and a trine, which means house number 1, 4, 7, 10 or 5 and 9 becomes unusually strong. एंड योगा कारक जो होता है हमेशा अच्छा रिजल्ट ही देता है, बुरा रिजल्ट नहीं देता. So yes, he may cause a little bit of disease, he may cause some suffering, but overall this planet will give you the best results possible जब उसकी दशा या अंतर दशा आती है. Okay. Next we should talk about positive योग में that पंच महापुरुष योग, जो हमने बहुत पहले बात किया था, I think 1.5 year ago.
जी.
पंच महापुरुष योग, पंच मीन्स 5, महापुरुष मीन्स ग्रेट पर्सन. तो ये जो योग है, ये 5 ग्रेटनेस योग्स हैं विच आर दशा इंडिपेंडेंट, विच मीन्स ये लाइफ लॉन्ग रहते हैं, दे नेवर गो. एंड वेदिका, इन माई 30 years I have never seen this yog fail for anybody. It has never given negative, it only boosts you, it boosts you above average. I mean, for people who are hearing this show, go on the website, make your kundali and see if you have this yoga in your kundali. पंच महापुरुष योग सिर्फ 5 प्लैनेट बना सकते हैं, मार्स, वीनस, जुपिटर, मर्क्यूरी और सैटर्न. ओके, ये 5 हैं, यही बना सकते हैं. इस योग बनाने के लिए वन ऑफ दीज प्लैनेट्स मस्ट सिट इन इट्स ओन साइन और साइन ऑफ एक्सॉल्टेशन. वो तो काफी कॉमन होता है. बट फर्दर ये जो प्लैनेट है, दिस मस्ट बी एट एन एंगल और ट्राइन हाउस. दैट मीन्स ये जो प्लैनेट है, मर्क्यूरी, वीनस, मार्स, जुपिटर या शनि, दे मस्ट बी इन हाउस नंबर 1, 4, 5, 7, 9 और 10. और जिस घर में बैठे हैं, दैट मस्ट बी ईदर हिज ओन हाउस और एक्सॉल्टेशन. जब ये होता है, दिस प्लैनेट गिव्स एक्सट्रीमली गुड रिजल्ट्स एंड इट विल मेक यू इनटू समथिंग. People will stop and stare and say this is unique. So जब मार्स ऐसा योग बनाता है, it is called रुचका योग. मार्स की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है वेदिका? fearless, bold, ability to take action at the right time. वो डरते नहीं किसी से ना.
Mhm.
So that yoga will make you amongst those categories without fear. Abundant energy milti hai इनको. They don't fall sick easily. They're actually full of life. They, in fact, we see this yoga in lots of army generals.
Okay.
जितने military के heads होते हैं, study their kundali, they likely have some indication of this yoga. All right.
Mhm.
नेक्स्ट होता है मर्क्यूरी का योग. इसे हम भद्र योग कहेंगे. भद्र योग जो होता है makes you very intelligent. It makes you very learned. It makes you want to do research and look into fields that are upcoming and positive. नेक्स्ट, अगर जुपिटर ये योग बनता है तो इसे हम हंसा योग कहेंगे. हंसा. हंसा में you get spiritually inclined. You're religious. You have optimistic outlook. And overall, you're looking at life with a creative mind. Right? अगर वीनस ये देता है तो इसे हम मालवा योग कहते हैं. मालवा makes you wealthy. It makes you get lots of luxuries in life. It makes you fortunate in marriage. It makes you fortunate in all your friendship and personal and family relationship. ये पॉजिटिव योग है. एंड फाइनली, अगर शनि ये योग बनाता है, इसे साशा योग कहते हैं. इट मेक्स यू स्ट्रांग, डिसिप्लिन्ड. People in this have high level of authority. We see this in world leaders, politicians. बहुत दिखता है ये. It makes them disciplined and what is the right word? इनकी body recovery बहुत अच्छी होती है. So पंच महापुरुष योग जो होते हैं वेदिका, we find these very often in birth charts, right?
Mhm.
But then they don't live up to their promise. क्या होता है कि लोग आके हमें कहते हैं कि I heard your show, I have रुचका योग और I have साशा योग, but उसका रिजल्ट तो नहीं दिख रहा. इट इज नॉट बिकॉज ये योग फॉल्टी है. योग कभी फॉल्टी नहीं होता. इट इज बिकॉज एवरी योग ऑल्सो हैज अ स्ट्रेंथ. डू यू एग्री? योग
जी.
हैज टू हैव स्ट्रेंथ.
Yeah.
आप कहोगे कि जुपिटर, लेट्स से स्कॉर्पियो असेंडेंट के लिए 5th हाउस विच इज पाइसिस उसमें बैठा है, एंड दैट मीन्स ही इज लाइकली दिस पर्सन हैज द जुपिटर योग विच इज हंसा योग. तो ये रिजल्ट क्यों नहीं दे रहा? Here are some important rules that we need to understand in astrology to make sure कि ये जो योग है, they are going to give positive result. First, हमें ये जो योग है, they must be studied both from ascendant and moon. अगर सिर्फ लगन से पढ़ा जाए और मून से नहीं पढ़ते, then it becomes a failure. पंच महापुरुष योग will become better अगर मून से भी पढ़ा जाता है तो. Second, जो प्लैनेट हम पढ़ रहे हैं, राइट, उस पे अगर पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट हो तो योग और स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा. अगर यही आपकी जो लेट्स से रुचका योग है या कोई और योग है, हमसा योग है, अगर इस पे शनि देख रहा है, इट इज गोइंग टू मेक इट वीक. एंड फाइनली, ये जो प्लैनेट्स देख रहे थे, विच हाउसेस डू दे ओन? अगर दे ओन डिफिकल्ट हाउस लाइक 6, 8 या 12, then the result is not going to be good at all. It is going to be bad. So, for all listeners, you may have the योग, लेकिन अगर बुरा प्लैनेट इसे देख रहा है, then the योग is not going to manifest itself in a positive way. और जब ट्रांजिट होती है कोई बुरे प्लैनेट की, this योग will get stressed. Its result will become smaller. You have to wait for that planet to get out, for that to come back. They say na, even the smartest person sometimes acts like a fool.
Right.
Sometimes works under a lot of pressure, and then उनकी दिमाग की बत्ती बजती है कि ये क्या कर दिया हमने. That is because of the stress or the transit. Okay.
We have a caller. Let's quickly take a call.
Sure.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you lower the radio volume?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. Go ahead with your question.
Yeah, I wanted to ask. I'm actually, I've changed my job. I think I lost my job and then I got my new job within a couple of weeks in this market. I'm thinking like, will I stand a chance if I'm continuously looking? Will I get a better job that is fulfilling my whole my career objectives at this point of time? That's my question.
Give me your date of birth again.
Yeah, 29th November 74.
Okay. A time of birth
in 2:20 a.m.
and place.
in Chennai. In Chennai.
Okay. And your specific question was, is it better for you to
Uh,
keep working?
yeah, is it better for me? Will I get a better job, or is it something that I need to hold on for quite some period?
I think you're running Jupiter Mars Dasha, right? Hmm?
Correct.
Jupiter is sitting in the house of service here. Mars is sitting in the house of money. Jupiter is Vargottam, he's very strong. He's not only is in service, he's also in career house. And Mars is sitting in the house of money all the way till 2026, 8th month. After that, you start Jupiter Rahu Dasha, which is again very optimistic Dasha for you. I think you should be looking for another job in parallel. In fact, I think you should be doing a side gig or something, if that is even possible for you. So, what I mean is, you have a full time job somewhere, working 8-10 hours. Look into something in parallel. But in the meantime, if you get a better job, switch. If you don't, then hang on to something in parallel, because your job dasha, just looking at this, your job dasha is not ending till 2029. So you said, even in this economy, you got a job. It is not surprising. You will. But I'm worried that you may continuously work in one field or one company for a long period of time. Don't let that happen. Look for a better job. You absolutely will get it. There is no second thought. Especially now, all the way till May, you'll definitely get something better. Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
To listeners who are tuned in and listening to the Astrology Show with Dr. Saket Bhatia, आप भी कर सकते हैं कॉल अगर अभी आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है 510-770-1550. That's the number where you can call right now on air and ask one quick question. And when you're calling, be ready with your date, time, and place of birth. If you would like to meet Dr. Bhatia, have a detailed conversation, then call him directly after the show, 408-639-5300, or visit his website, saketbhatia.com. And as always, it's a constant reminder कि आप वेबसाइट पे जाकर अपनी डिटेल्स डाल के अपना चार्ट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं और उससे जुड़ा अगर कोई सवाल है तो डेफिनेटली कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं डॉक्टर भाटिया से. लेट्स टेक अनदर कॉल.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Namaste, Dr. Bhatia. How are you?
Namaste. I'm doing wonderful. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine as well, Dr. Bhatia. So, Dr. Bhatia, I have a question with regards to my career. So, things were not looking good at the company, but individually, I think I'm doing fine. And even I'm getting considered for the promotion. So, but at the same point of time, I'm actively applying and I'm also getting the calls. So, I just wanted to check with you based on my horoscope. In case if I get any opportunity, shall I move on with the new opportunity or shall I stick here, considering that I might get promoted and I have good visibility in my current team as well, in the current job as well?
Okay, let's see. What is your date, place, time of birth?
My date of birth is August 6, 1986. Time of birth is 9:26 a.m. and place of birth is Patna, Bihar.
Patna. So again, आपकी जो कुंडली बनती है, you're a Virgo ascendant, which is Kanya Lagan. Mercury is
Sure.
sitting in the house of gains. Mercury is not retrograde, not combust. So career house should be fine. Everything about this kundali is good except for 3 retrograde planets, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. That makes people sometimes a little negative in thinking. आज की जो टॉपिक थी वो योग की बात कर रहे थे. So I don't see that here, but I see some other positive yogs. Now let's analyze. Career के लिए we always look at 6th house, 10th house. अब दशा चल रही है सैटर्न के सन केतु की एंड इट विल ट्रांजिट टू सन वीनस. सन और वीनस 3 घर दूर है. वीनस रिप्रेजेंट्स मनी. वीनस रिप्रेजेंट्स luck in this kundali. It's a very powerful, strong planet which is also making good Raj Yoga. Granted, Sun and Venus are not considered friends, but they are not going to hit each other in a negative way. Sun तो न्यूट्रल है इस कुंडली में, जुपिटर ट्रांजिट 10th हाउस पे है एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर गेन्स पे जाएगा. सो आई थिंक you really should look for a better job. Look for a
Okay.
better title.
I should not stick for a current job.
It wouldn't help you. You can get a better opportunity outside at this time.
Okay. Got
Okay.
it, Dr. Bhatia. And
There
Dr.
is nothing
my
here
view-
which is saying you will lose your job. That is not happening.
Okay.
But it is pointing that opportunities outside could be better for you. All right.
So will it be now or will it be during Venus Antardasha, Dr. Bhatia?
The Venus Antardasha starts November 29th, which is 25 days away. Okay.
Got it. And Dr. Bhatia, as my Venus is debilitated, will it harm me in any way or is it still fine?
Debilitated to hai, but he is debilitated lord of what house? 9th house and
9th house.
2nd. Uski antardasha is just one year. It could give you some relationship issues or some money issues, but it's not going to harm you. Not going to do that. He's still a very good planet.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Thank
Good
you.
luck. Bye.
Appreciate it.
Bye.
जी.
So we were talking. We आगे चलते हैं about योग, right? अब infamous आता है गज केसरी योग. I call it infamous because everybody knows about it. सबने सुना है.
जी.
सब कहते हैं ये जुपिटर और मून का है, बट इसका फॉर्मूला रूल क्या है? इसकी एक सेंटेंस में बताते हैं. In order to have गज केसरी योग, Jupiter must be in the same house with moon, or Jupiter must be 4, 7 or 10 houses away from moon. ये बेसिक रूल है. या जुपिटर मून के साथ जुड़ जाए या जुपिटर मून से 4, 7 या 10 घर दूर हो. सेकेंड कंडीशन, जुपिटर मस्ट नॉट बी डिबिलिटेटेड. थर्ड कंडीशन, जुपिटर मस्ट नॉट बी कंबस्ट. अगर ये 3 कंडीशन मैच हो गए, इट इज कॉल्ड गज केसरी योग. नाउ मून इज वेरी पावरफुल फॉर गज केसरी योग, राइट? एंड हमने पहले भी शो में कहा है, मून इज अ सेंसिटिव प्लैनेट. अगर मून को कोई बुरा प्लैनेट देख रहा है, लाइक शनि, केतु, राहु, मार्स, या मून के साथ इन प्लैनेट्स बैठ जाते हैं, देन दिस गज केसरी योग डज नॉट गिव गुड रिजल्ट्स. ओके, इट कैन नॉट. ऑन द अदर हैंड, अगर जुपिटर रेट्रोग्रेड हो जाए या जुपिटर डिबिलिटेट हो जाए या कंबस्ट, रेट्रोग्रेड में इट बिकम्स वीक, बट अगर डिबिलिटेटेड कंबस्ट हो, देन दिस योग विल फेल टू गिव यू रिजल्ट्स. We must give lots of importance to moon in Gaj Kesari Yoga. Absolutely. Because ये ऐसा योग है जो आपको दे भी सकता है, ले भी देता है. Correct? So when you study this, Jupiter should be lord of good houses. He should be placed well. Moon should be free from any bad aspects. So out of 100 yogs times जब मैंने गज केसरी योग देखा है, it has only been favorable for less than 1% people in terms of its own dasha. Overall dasha अच्छी जाती है. So you may have गज केसरी योग with, combust, debilitated Jupiter, bad planet, थोड़ा बहुत result देगा, but for very optimistic positive, very rare. It doesn't happen that often. Okay. अब आगे चलते हैं. Let's move to some other yogs. These are important yogs. एक योग है सक्ता योग. सक्ता योग मीन्स डिफिकल्ट योग ना. एस्ट्रोलॉजी में 6, 8 और 12, these 3 are considered tough houses. 6th is debt, litigation, disease. 8th is sudden breaks, death. And 12th is loss, isolation. जब मून जुपिटर से 6, 8, 12 घर दूर होता है कोई भी कुंडली में, whenever it is there, it causes Sakta Yoga. Sakta Yoga will always make this individual undergo alternating cycles of prosperity and losses. Sakta Yoga is not desired in a kundali. काफी लोग होते हैं पैसे टिकते नहीं, आते हैं चले जाते हैं. Sakta Yoga, it's always there. लेकिन अगर यही जुपिटर, यही अगर मून 4, 7 या 8 10वें घर में बैठा हो, then this योग is cancelled. It doesn't apply. Okay.
Okay.
Next आता है a योग which I personally don't like at all in a kundli. I never liked it. This is called केमद्रम योग. मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता ये योग. केमद्रम योग is created जब मून के आजू बाजू कोई प्लैनेट्स नहीं हो. मून अकेला बैठा है, ना उसके लेफ्ट पे कोई प्लैनेट, ना उसके राइट पे कोई प्लैनेट. Now you can argue and say, what does that mean? Well, moon is your mind. Let's assume आपके आजू बाजू कोई नहीं है. You're isolated from everybody. How would you feel? Lonely. You have no support. Difficult life. So केमद्रम योग generally जिनकी कुंडली में होता है, they feel lonely. They lead a below average / difficult life. लेकिन अगर यही मून एंगल मतलब 1 4 5 7 9 या 10वें घर में बैठा हो तो नहीं अप्लाई करता. सो फॉर केमद्रम योग मून मस्ट बी सिचुएटेड इन हाउस नंबर 2 3 6 8 11. प्लस द मून should not be aspected by some other positive thing. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर जुपिटर इसे देख रहा हो देन केमद्रम का असर थोड़ा कम होगा, विच मीन्स लाइफ में कभी सपोर्ट मिलेगा फिर चला जाएगा. केमद्रम इज नॉट अ गुड योग इन जनरल. इसके न्यूट्रलाइजेशन होते हैं व्हेन मून इज प्लेस्ड इन दोज हाउसेस आई सेड, या मून एक्सॉल्टेड हो. ओके.
Mhm.
कभी कभी हमने ये भी देखा है कि जुपिटर इज 4 हाउसेस अवे फ्रॉम मून, तो वो कैंसिल हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट होता है सुनापा योग. ये योग होता है when there are more than one planets, when there is one or more planets. We're not talking about sun, जो मून से सेकंड हाउस में हो. तो अगर आपके मून के नेक्स्ट हाउस में कोई प्लैनेट हो देन दिस इज कॉल्ड सुनाफा योग. अब सुनाफा योग में क्या होता है? सिंस मून इज योर माइंड एंड सेकंड हाउस इज द हाउस ऑफ वेल्थ, उससे सेकंड हाउस में अगर कुछ हो, इट जनरली इंक्रीजेस योर वेल्थ इन लाइफ. इट इंक्रीजेस हैप्पीनेस, इट इंक्रीजेस गुड रेप्यूटेशन. अगर ये प्लैनेट बेनिफिक हो, मतलब जुपिटर हो या वीनस हो, तो और भी अच्छा होता है आपकी लाइफ में. इट मेक्स इट वंडरफुल फॉर यू, राइट. अनाफा योग होता है. अनाफा योग इज व्हेन देयर इज वन और मोर प्लैनेट 12वां घर फ्रॉम द मून. इसके रिजल्ट्स भी सेम होते हैं. तो फॉर ऑल लिसनर्स, अपनी कुंडली देखिए और मून को देखिए. अगर मून के लेफ्ट या मून के राइट पे कोई प्लैनेट है, इट इज कंसिडर्ड वेरी गुड. वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट राहु, केतु और सन. ओके. फिर एक होता है दुरुद्रा योग. इस योग में व्हेन देयर इज ए प्लैनेट विच इज ऑन ईदर साइड ऑफ मून, मतलब मून के एक साइड पे और दूसरे साइड पे 2 प्लैनेट हो,
Mhm.
तो ये दुरुद्र योग बनता है. यू बिकम अ गुड स्पीकर. वी सी दिस इन द कुंडलीज ऑफ लाइफ कोच. वी सी दिस इन एक्टर्स. वी सी दिस इन पब्लिक स्पीकिंग. You make money through speech. It gives you good wealth. It gives you a comfortable life. It gives you, जो आप पहले कहा था ना सुनाफा और अनाफा योगी, उनसे भी सुपीरियर होता है, बिकॉज उनमें तो एक ही साइड पे एक प्लैनेट था, यहाँ पर 2 साइड पे 2 प्लैनेट बैठे हैं.
Mhm.
इट इज मच बेटर रिजल्ट्स इफ दीज आर नॉट मार्स और सैटर्न. अगर अच्छे प्लैनेट हो तो बहुत अच्छा योग आता है. नेक्स्ट हम कहेंगे शुभ कत्री एंड पाप कत्री योग. पाप कत्री तो हमने बहुत बार कहा है. Papkatri means on either side of the house there are 2 bad planets. Bad means Shani, Ketu, Rahu, Mangal.
जी.
अगर यही अच्छे प्लैनेट हो like Venus, Mercury, Jupiter, then और Moon, फिर शुभ कत्री योग होता है. शुभ कत्री योग makes it very easy for you to accumulate wealth. It gives you extremely good, robust health in life. So look at the difference. Pap Katri will hurt that house, only that house. It will also cause some financial difficulties related to that house. अभी आप कहोगे what do you mean? So for example, अगर आपके 4th house के left right पे एक बुरे planets हो, financial expenditure on home, property, खर्चा हो जाएगा. अगर 7th house पे हो तो spouse पे बहुत खर्चा होगा, right? Same way you have to see, अगर शुभ कत्री योग है तो बहुत अच्छा चलेगा ये. Okay. Next yog we should say is Ati Vasuman Yog, which is अगर 3 अच्छे प्लैनेट मर्क्यूरी, वीनस, जुपिटर, अगर ये घर 3, 6, 10 या 11 में बैठ जाए, you will have lots of prosperity, lots of good health, and lots of good luck in life. Very rare to happen. Very, very rare. Mercury, Venus, Jupiter sitting in these houses is very rare. फिर आएगा एक योग जो हम कहते हैं परिवर्तन योग. Have you heard of this, Vedika? परिवर्तन योग in Western astrology is called mutual reception. अब परिवर्तन योग होता है जब 2 प्लैनेट एक दूसरे के घरों को एक्सचेंज कर ले. So planet A sits in the house of B and B sits in the house of A. Assuming Jupiter Taurus में बैठ गया और Venus Sagittarius में बैठ गया. In this case, these 2 planets will affect each other favorably. इसे परिवर्तन योग कहते हैं. परिवर्तन योग is important because they take the energies of the planets in their respective house and they only enhance it. The amount of degree of this aspect will depend on the nature of the planets. अगर 2 बुरे planets exchange करके एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं, it causes disaster. इसलिए शो पे हमने कहा है, when Saturn and Mars are looking at each other, it is considered bad. It is considered difficult. Shani Mangal Parivartan Yog is not good. Okay?
जी. We have a caller waiting. Can we
Sure.
quickly take the call? Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Okay. Thank you.
Can you lower the radio volume, please? A lot of
Yeah,
echo.
sure.
Thank you.
हाँ भाटिया साहब
Hi.
नमस्कार.
Namaskar, how are
मेरा
you?
नाम बस ठीक ठाक. मेरा नाम दीपक वर्मा. डेट ऑफ बर्थ ये बताइए कि डेट ऑफ बर्थ रियल वाली चाहिए कि ऑफिशियल चाहिए? 2 अलग अलग हमारी डेट ऑफ बर्थ.
रियल दोगे तो आंसर रियल मिलेगा.
ठीक है. सो इट्स 13th October 1952. प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ झांसी यूपी इंडिया. और समय सुबह शाम को 8:10.
ओके.
और
ये झांसी इंडिया में था ना?
या
ओके.
और मेरा सवाल ये है कि इस एज में स्पाइन सर्जरी हुई है मेरी, तो दर्द वर्द बना रहता है, बट वी आर वेरी कीन कि हम लोग इधर उधर घूमें, दुनिया देखें, जापान जाएं, यूरोप जाएं, तो क्या हमारी हेल्थ और पैसे साथ देंगे हमारा इस मिशन में?
वेरी इजी. वी ऑलवेज से, हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि ट्रैवल करना चाहिए जब 10th हाउस के ऊपर 9th हाउस पे कुछ दशा आ जाए या 9th हाउस के ऊपर ट्रांजिट आए. आपके 9th हाउस में राहु बैठा है, विच मीन्स यू विल ट्रैवल. ओके, यू विल ट्रैवल. अब राहु पे राहु आता है नवंबर 2026 में, जो अब से 1 साल दूर है. तो मैं कहता हूँ नवंबर 2026 से लेके 1.5 year 18 महीने तक you will travel quite a bit. You will travel a lot. Undoubtedly you will travel a lot. Okay. बट उसके बीच में प्रॉब्लम जोन आता है हेल्थ वाइज. हेल्थ की प्रॉब्लम रहेगी आपको अक्टूबर 2028 ऑल द वे डाउन थ्रू जनवरी 2031. नथिंग सीरियस बट रहेगी. बट ट्रैवल वाइज यू डोंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. ओके, ट्रैवल स्टार्ट करो. आई रेकमेंड
Summer of 26. Summer of 26.
Sorry?
He's
Summer of
asking,
26 is doable. ऐसा कुछ खराब नहीं है, क्योंकि summer of 26 you are running Jupiter Saturn dasha, right? Saturn is not lord of a bad house. Granted वो 6 घर दूर है, but Jupiter Saturn is not enemies. Go ahead.
Okay.
Summer of 26 is also good, but if you really want very long term travel, not long distance, long term, कि हमें 4 महीना घूमने, 6 महीना, then that is advisable after November. But अगर कोई like 2 हफ्ते के ट्रिप पे जाना है, 3 हफ्ता, then that you can do in September. Then you can do that in summer. Okay. But long term, don't do it till November. Right.
ठीक है. Okay. Thank you, Doctor.
Good luck.
Bye.
Bye.
we have another caller waiting.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Bhatia. Go ahead with your question.
Hi, good evening, Dr. Bhatia. Thank you for taking my call. I had a question for my son's date of birth, December 4, 2009. Timing is 1:05, like in the night, early morning, 1:05 a.m. And place of birth is White Plain, New York.
Okay. And what is your question?
Question is like, he's not sure whether medical or engineering, like technology field is for his career. So based on his details I provided, is there any way to you can guide us, like this will be good for his growth or career, or and in your practice, what have you seen, like predictions based on astrological chart? Does it really always come true, or sometimes the kid may not have inclination in that field, but the astrological chart is saying, hey, I see you becoming a doctor, but the kid is not interested in medicine. So these are the two things I wanted to check on.
You asked an interesting question. You have free will. You can decide to do what you want to do. But astrology mein, we have a rule which says human career will always be selected by the placement of the 10th house lord in the Navams Kundli. Let's say your son wants to become a doctor, but he becomes an engineer. Let's say Kundli says become doctor, but he becomes engineer. He will automatically start working in a medical company. He will switch gears and start working something to do with medical. That is option one. Option two is, let's say your son says, I don't want to do all this, I want to become a lawyer. Then he will suddenly start working with medical facility. The relation with that is going to be there, if that makes any sense. You cannot avoid that. Somehow or the other, it is going to happen that you're going to be tied to that profession. But what is important is, what is that profession? From the ascendant, the 10th lord is Venus, which is placed in the house of Jupiter. Jupiter is placed in the house of Mercury. So there is no correlation here. From the sun, the 10th lord is Saturn. Saturn is sitting in the house of Venus, which is again sitting in the house of Jupiter. So there is no real correlation here. From the moon, the 10th lord is Venus, which is sitting in the house of Jupiter. Again, everything is pointing to Jupiter, and Jupiter is not engineering. Jupiter is not medicine. So now we will take one level below and we go and see what is Saturn and what is in the 1st and 8th house. Saturn 6th house mein hai, which means whichever field he does, he's going to do it for long term. And this is a kundli in which he's not going to switch gears. Mars is exalted in this kundli, means Mars is very, very strong. He sits in Capricorn. Moon is in the house of dead people. Your son should go into medicine. He should avoid engineering. It is not recommended for him, if that makes sense. Now, if he decides to still do engineering, he will actually switch gears into medicine. This is a medical kundali or a dental kundali. Okay. One of those two.
Got it. Okay. Sounds good.
Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Listeners who are tuned in to Radio Zindagi 1550 AM, आपके साथ बने हैं Dr. Saket Bhatia live on air every Tuesday. You listen to him 4 to 5 p.m. on 1550 AM only. And Dr. Bhatia से आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं शो के बाद for a detailed consultation. आप अपॉइंटमेंट ले सकते हैं directly by calling the number 408-639-5300. SaketBhatia.com is the website to get more information about him. Again, the website is saketbhatia.com and the number to reach him directly is 408-639-5300. We have 5 more minutes in the show. Maybe we can take one quick call. 510-770-1550 is the studio line number. जी.
तो अब एक और योग की बात करते हैं, which is called महाभाग्य योग. For all listeners, ये बहुत interesting है. For a man, if you are born during the daytime, so सुबह आप पैदा हुए when the sun was just rising, okay, और आपका ascendant, sun and moon are placed in fire and air signs. This is considered to be very fortunate in life for you. And for a woman, अगर आपका ascendant, sun and moon are placed in earth or water sign और आपका जन्म रात को हुआ है, then this is considered to be extremely fortunate for you. So, born in the morning for a man and your ascendant sun and moon are placed in fire and air signs. Or for a woman, you're born at late night and your ascendant sun and moon are placed in earth and water sign, you are considered to be very fortunate. This is a blessing for you. Okay.
Mhm.
Very rare. Mahabhagya Yoga, not common. And लास्ट एक योग की बात करते हैं, काल सर्प योग. काल सर्प योग, देयर आर वेरी फ्यू योग्स होते हैं, बट वेरी फ्यू दैट इन्वॉल्व राहु एंड केतु. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज काल सर्प योग. काल सर्प योग होता है when all your 7 planets are on one side of the Rahu Ketu axis. लोग पूछते हैं what is Rahu, what is Ketu? Simple words में, जहां राहु बैठता है, focus on that in this life. Focus on it. It is unfulfilled desire. Okay.
जी.
अगर 5th में बैठा हो, focus on children, focus on advice, focus on education. It was not completed in your last life. Kal Sarpyog simply translates to dark time serpent. Okay. But दो तरह के काल सर्पयोग होते हैं. One is called Kal Sarp Anulama, which is basically all the planets are moving towards Rahu, and Viloma, जिसमें all the planets are moving towards Ketu. Right? Now, all the planets moving towards Rahu is actually considered to be very different from all the planets going towards Ketu. Rahu has a mouth. He has no body. So all the planets moving into Rahu is considered difficult for you. Rahu engulfs all your planets. On the other hand, all the planets moving to Ketu is actually considered not so bad. It is considered beneficial. It is considered very spiritual. जब राहु की तरफ प्लैनेट जाते हैं, डिजायर खत्म ही नहीं होती लाइफ में. आई वांट टू डू दिस, इल्यूजन है, साइकिक फोर्सेस एट प्ले, आई वांट टू डू, जितने वी सी some terrorist or whatever who want to bring change to society, they have Kal Sarp Yog, that one. जब विलुमा योग काल सर्प योग होता है, it actually makes you a deep thinker. It makes you want to get away from this. Kal Sarp Yog may, not in all time, but can act like a obstruction in life to positive yogs. Okay. But Kal Sarp Yog में सोचना पड़ता है कि ये कौन से दो घर हैं which are involved. Those two houses will be most impacted. No other house. अगर राहु केतु 1st और 7th में बैठ गए, मैरिड लाइफ विल बी इम्पैक्टेड. अगर काल सर्पयोग 4th और 10th का हो, करियर विल बी इम्पैक्टेड, होम लाइफ विल बी इम्पैक्टेड. दैट इज ट्रू, राइट? बट रिमेंबर, इनके पास भी जो प्लैनेट्स है, दे विल आल्सो गेट इक्वली इम्पैक्टेड, राइट? इफ बोथ राहु एंड केतु आर गुड इन द कुंडली, ये योग विल फ्लिप एंड एक्चुअली स्टार्ट गिविंग यू पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स. सो लोग डरते हैं हमारा काल सर्पयोग है. You don't have to. I have seen 50% cases Kal Sarpyog can be difficult, 50% it is not difficult. And us 50 maybe 50% chance it is actually very good for you. So I think you should not worry about such a yoga. You should accept it and say कि इसकी strength क्या है, weakness क्या है, and adapt your life accordingly. Okay.
जी.
This is what I wanted to talk. ये एक छोटा section था जो योग की हमने बात की. इतने सारे योग हैं that we can go on and on. We'll probably leave that for another show and for another week.
Absolutely. So with that, we are out of our show time today. People who are trying to reach us on studio line number, we won't be taking any more calls. आप सीधा कॉल कीजिए डॉक्टर भाटिया के डायरेक्ट नंबर पे if you want to ask any question or connect with him. 408-639-5300 is the direct number, and the website to get all the information about him is saketbhatia.com. Thank you so much, Dr. Bhatia, for being on air with us. We'll see you next week.
Thank you so much to all the listeners. Goodbye. I'll be back again next Tuesday. Till then, stay healthy and stay safe. Bye.
You are listening to Radio Zindagi, KZDG 1550 AM.